Bom, seja bem-vindo ou bem-vinda. Be welcome to this Portuguese live lesson. We are gonna talk. I'm gonna teach you how to pronounce these nasal sounds in Brazilian Portuguese. If you are watching this on YouTube, I'm recording this on a live lesson on YouTube, on Instagram, actually. Okay. So I'm gonna talk in English and in Portuguese, ok? Sons nasais. O que são sons nasais no português? No português temos esses sons nasais que são únicos, que o som precisa passar pelo seu nariz quando você pronuncia. Aqui temos um exemplo do imã. Pão. Pão é um exemplo perfeito. Pão. Presta atenção como eu pronuncio. Pão. Ó, meu som nasal aqui, ó. Pão. Pão. Se você não pronuncia o som nasal, vai soar para o brasileiro um outro som. So, nasal sounds in Portuguese, when you are pronounced, the sounds need to pass through your nose and your mouth at the same time. It's unique. Okay, and I'm gonna teach you how to identify and how to pronounce those sounds in Portuguese. Okay, first idea, we have those sounds here that in Portuguese, now Portuguese lesson, we have this accent that is called chill. So always you see this chill that seems like a snake above A or O, nasal sound. Sempre que você vê esse acento na letra A ou na letra O, é som nasal, pronuncia com o nariz, Ou quando depois das vogais tem um M ou um N, como an, on, em, in, on, So, in English, for everybody here that is watching live. So, do you prefer in Portuguese or in English that I can explain? We are gonna pronounce the nasal sounds when you see this o, or when after the vowel there is this m or n, like en, in. Okay? We are gonna pronounce it when you find these ideas. So, now I'm gonna teach you each sound, how to pronounce each sound in Portuguese. Let me put my camera here. So, the first one, the most common, I would say, because we use this in the word não, as it's written here. For English speakers, I would say like this. You have to pronounce this like in cow, but remember, the sounds need to pass through your nose. So here we have the word não. I'm gonna write. So you would pronounce something like this. Não, 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 não. Does it make sense? Em português, um pouco. Esse som nasal aqui, o som precisa passar pelo seu nariz e forçar. Não. É como eu estou escrevendo aqui. Não. E forçar o nariz. Uma dica: segure o nariz. Hold your nose with your hands. Não. The sound is kinda longer. So let's see the other examples here. Pão. I would pronounce like this. I know we Brazilians. Pão. Is it helpful? É útil? Let me read the comments here. If you have a stuffed nose, you can't speak Portuguese. Ai, ai, ai. Bom, 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 Eldar. If you have a stuffed nose, you can't speak Portuguese. Maybe, maybe. In English, who is also here? Lê, tudo bem, tudo bem. Portuguese study. I want to learn Portuguese. Here, I'm teaching you Portuguese. Follow our channel, and on our website, you can schedule a free Portuguese trial lesson with us. If you are interested, go there, Portuguese study. I can just see your user. 86 por any single ladies wanna be friends. Hey, sir, here it's not a Tinder, as we Brazilians say. It's a Portuguese live lesson, okay? But anyways, next one, we have this that the most common sound that you're gonna find is in this word maçã. Maçã. So, teacher, how do I pronounce this sound in Portuguese? How do I teach this sound in Portuguese? It's kind of this nasal sound, but like in English you have the word a, but you have to pronounce with your nose. For example, here, I'm gonna write each one. For example, mãe, mãe. Nasal sound here. Mãe, If I would write in English for you to read, it would be something like this. Mãe. Like ing. Mãe, mãe. Try to pronounce and let me know if it helps, this spelling that I'm writing in English. Mãe, mãe. Next one here. Irmã. I would spell in English for you pronounce irmã. But here, this sound you don't have in English. So you have to force your nose. Irmã, irmã. Close your nose slightly. Irmã. Or the next one here. Maçã. Maçã. Is it easy or not? É fácil ou difícil? So this idea of pronouncing those nasal sounds, it's very hard. You're not gonna find an easy way. It's gonna be very hard in the beginning. You have to use your nose. You have to use your nose to pronounce this idea. Okay? So, next one, ain or ain. Meanwhile, let me read the comments here. Devin News. Obrigado, Christine Devin. De nada, de nada. Camila, how often do you have lives? We try weekly, but we don't have a schedule. We just go random. Let me see. Okay, free lesson. What did I miss? I just see your user, CAG Aki or Ashi. Go on our website and there is a link where you can schedule a free Portuguese trial lesson on our website. Okay, next one, we are gonna have this in sound. Let me change my camera here. Deixa eu mudar minha câmera para não atrapalhar. This one is a easier one for you to pronounce because I like to write and spell this for English speakers as like this. So here we have this bem, bem. So we pronounce like this. Bem, ing, I would say. With my idea. Bem, bem. bem, bem. This is the way we would pronounce. Bem, tudo bem, tudo bem, tudo bem. Next one. Também, também, também. Like ing in English. Também, também. So always you see this ing we pronounce, imagine. You have to pronounce it longer. Também, bem, tudo bem, tudo bem, também. Ok? Is it easy or difficult? Fácil ou difícil? Aqui a ideia é o som, esse som nasal é um som um pouco mais longo, tá? Tudo bem, também, ok? Tudo bem. Next one, we are gonna have this in sound. There is one English sound that I always use with my students to teach. But let me read the comments first. Fácil. A Carol, fácil. Que é fácil. Para mim também é fácil porque eu sou brasileiro. Difícil para mim, Gerrique. Yes, nasal sounds could be hard. You need to practice. The more you practice, it's gonna be easier. Devin, hi. Oi, Devin. Tudo bem? Vilton, sorry if I mispronounce your name. Vilton Z. Hi, I'm new here, teacher. Nice to meet you. Prazer em conhecer você em português. Um brasileiro, bom dia. Da Prim. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Eu sei o que é Guten Tag. Guten Tag é alemão. Ok. Calmeli, saludos desde Peru. Saudações em português. Saludos. Saudações em português. Saudações. Greetings in English, if you are trying to understand what we are pronouncing. Saudações, greetings. Cheers from Brazil. Saudações. So, let me keep reading here. Let me keep the lesson. So next one, we are gonna have this in sound. This is the most, not common, but I would say for English speakers, the easiest. Because you have this sound as the word, the verb to see. Like, I have seen something. Yesterday, I have seen my friend. For example, I have seen my friend recently. So always you see this E-I-M or E-I-N, we are going to pronounce as the same idea as sim. So, for example, the examples. Sim, 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 fim, fim, sim, fim. I think this is the easiest one possible because in English you have this sound. Is it easy or difficult? É fácil ou difícil? Y si tú hablas español, esto asiento no, tú necesitas pronunciar por tu nariz, ¿ok? Sim, mira como yo pronuncio. Sim, sim. Próximo, the next one, on ou on, also nasal sound, também bem som nasal aqui, não tem muito segredo. Let me teach you guys how would you pronounce this on, O with M or O with N, on. You have the verb to know, known. Known. This is the sound, but you have to force your nose to pronounce this. Let me let me, how would I spell this in English? So, bom would be something like this. Bom, bom. Is it helpful? Bom, bom. Or another one, ontem. I would write in English, ontem, 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 bom ontem. Easy? Is it easy or not? Always you see this on, we are gonna pronounce like this. Bom, ontem. Tranquilo? Fácil? Difícil? Em português agora. Sempre esse som de OM, ON é um som, sempre o som nasal é um som um pouquinho mais longo. Bom, ontem, ou homem, homem. Fácil ou difícil? Comment here if it is easy or difficult. Next one, let me read the comments before. Fácil, Marisley, ok. François, oi, tudo bem? Eu sou do Canadá. I have a little experience learning Portuguese. I'm interested in learning more. Here is your channel to learn more. François, are you from Quebec, Montreal, Vancouver? De onde você é, François? And remember, if you are new here in our channel, on our website you can schedule a free Portuguese trial lesson with our teachers. We have private lessons, group lessons. Go there and you feel free to schedule it, a free trial. So next one we have that would be the last vowel. UN. Okay, this one is also very simple because in English you have this beautiful word, moon. It's the same pronunciation here. Moon, algum, nenhum. So here we have the number one. If I would write for English speakers, I would write like this. Like the same sound as moon. Another, algum. And keep reading the another. Nenhum. Is it easy? É fácil ou difícil? Camila, eu amo português. Que bom. Shao Frank, easy. Hannah, can you please send it out to me? We are gonna share this on YouTube, okay? Later you can review it with calm, stop the video and take notes. Go to our YouTube channel, we are gonna share this later. Fácil, Peter. Pedrão Kim? Pedro. I can just see your user. Sou da Coreia, tô aprendendo muito. Nada. Olá, Nada. Tudo bem? Hi, Nada. How are you? Carol. So here we have a real feedback. Obrigado, Carol, for sharing this. I've taken the private lessons with Easy Portuguese and I really thought it was a well-organized organization. I highly recommend them. Muito obrigado, Carol. Muito obrigado, Carol, por compartilhar. Thanks for sharing, Carol. So next question, Roger. So the M sounds like N. It depends which is your language, okay? If you are saying English, yes. Algum, okay? So to finish here this nasal sound lesson, I have prepared some sentences here to pronounce. with just nasal sounds. I'm gonna pronounce and I also am gonna write how would you pronounce it as an English speaker for you to read. And repeat it out loud, okay? This is the best way for you to practice. And remember, nobody, even us Brazilians, when we are baby, when we are children, we don't pronounce it correctly. We just learn how to pronounce this correctly practicing, ok? So, remember, you have to practice. Você precisa praticar. So, first one, não tem pão. I would write something like this. Não tem pão. So, repeat. Não, and pay attention my nose. Não tem pão. Não tem pão. Fácil ou difícil? Next one. Sim, é bom. Bom. Sim, é bom. Bom, like this. Bom. Sim, é bom. Sim, é bom. Tranquilo? Is it helpful? This writing, how would it be for English speakers? É fácil, difícil? Tá ajudando? Is it helping the sentences that I'm writing here? Next one. Um vinho, por favor. So I would write like this. As the same sound as moon. Today I can see the moon. Vinho. So, in English, vinho. No, sorry. I'm confusing with Italian now. Italian would be vinho, like this in English. Vinho. Vinho. Por favor. Vinho. Por favor. Vinho. Por favor. Fácil ou difícil? Is it easy or difficult? So, remember, I'm gonna share this lesson on YouTube later. Feel free, and you're gonna be able to see all the sentences that we have prepared here, all the nasal sounds. And if you learn how to pronounce each of those nasal sounds that I have taught here, always you're gonna pronounce it correctly, okay? Before I finish, I want to say thank you for coming here, for interacting with me. In case you have any questions about Brazil, about Portuguese, about Brazilians, I don't know, feel free to send us a message. And there is a link here where you can schedule a free Portuguese trial lesson with us, okay? And subscribe on our channel for you don't miss any of our lessons.